After I played around with the switch tester and did lots of typing on my noisy Outemu blue box switches, I bought some new switches. AliExpress, these are also Outemu switches. I don't even remember what I bought. I think I bought Silent Gray, which is a silent tactile switch. So now I have to yank all those off, the blue ones, and then put the Silent Gray in. It's kind of an interesting experience when you don't even remember what switch you bought. So these are Outemu Silent, White Silent. So it's a linear switch like a red, but with a silicone buffer at the bottom, so you don't have the impact click, click, click. And if you get a impact click from your keycap, you can still install a silicone O-ring like this one here around your keycap. So now I'm gonna unplug the keyboard, pull all the keycaps off, and then pull all the blue key switches off, and then we're gonna install silent white key switches. They also sent me a little sample pack of a couple other switches that we might have to play around with later. So I made it. All the blue switches are off and they are replaced with silent white. Outemu silent white is a linear switch that has a shorter actuation, so the switch actuates much earlier. I think usually it's 2 millimeters and this is 1.4 millimeter. The overall travel is the same, 4 millimeters. Now on top of having a silicone cushion at the bottom of the keystroke, I could also add those little, oh here we go, little O-rings if I wanted to. That would be preventing the keycap from impacting the housing. On these two keys here I actually did that. I don't know if you can hear the difference. It's not much. I cannot feel it either. Maybe. I don't know. So I don't know if this is going to be worth it. I mean, there's already lots of squishiness at the bottom from the silicone cushion at the bottom of the keystroke. I don't think we really need to add another O-ring. I could have probably used red switches and then put an O-ring on and would have gotten a similar result, I'm assuming at least. A couple other things that I learned. So here's an Outemu blue and it's broken. I don't know if you guys can see right here above my thumbnail. It's usually a little clicky thing, white plastic clippy thing that clips into the plate of the keyboard, and that broke off because of this switch puller. Apparently the switch puller here, this extension extends too far, and when you clamp down on it, it breaks off those plastic tips. Then I went back to the cheaper version, this one here, where those extensions are much shorter, and with this one I was able to pull them off without breaking them. So now I have 18 damaged switches and the rest are here. And then I still have a sample pack of some different Outemu switches that are available and a couple leftovers. So this has turned from a blue clicky to a really quiet keyboard, and only the stabilizer keys are still a little noisier. So I could do the clipping of the stabilizers and maybe make this a little quieter still, but so far so good. I love it. Alrighty guys, so even if you have a cheapo hot swappable keyboard that comes with Outemu switches, as long as it's hot swappable, you can still do something and customize it. This is a custom keyboard now because I customized it. Alright guys. Give me a thumbs up if you like and subscribe to my channel for more. Take care. Bye.